Well, Carol, Roxanne Quall says the sticking point appears to be the garbage fee of $20 per household per month. Some council members will not support it unless managed competition is in place for the waste collection next year. And so far, nobody is budging from their position. Several Cincinnati waste collection workers took their trucks to City Hall Wednesday morning to drive home the point. They're concerned about managed competition.
There was no protest. Our workers are committed to serving the public.
Ask Me leaders say the plan amounts to union busting.
I remember they're scared for their jobs. They're scared for their livelihoods. You know, we're talking over 150 Ask Me workers who could get pink slips and be told they don't have a job by Christmas.
It's very gut-wrenching, and it's not just numbers on a piece of paper. It's people's lives and families that are being directly affected by all of this.
Code President Diana Fry knows that's true professionally and personally. Her daughter and her daughter's husband are both police officers, and her daughter left the force for the waterworks after getting pink slips 4 times.
She happened to be with Cincinnati Waterworks before she became an officer, but unfortunately her husband, who's also a police officer from her same class, will most likely be laid off.
Vice Mayor Roxanne Quall says she's trying to keep all layoffs below the several hundred originally projected.
If we actually manage to pass the garbage fee and we manage to make also the appropriate revenue balancing decisions, then my goal is that we don't have more than around 100 to 125 people laid off.
However, Quall's warned that some of her council colleagues need to relax their positions.
The mayor said it best, and hopefully this will not offend anybody, but pigs get fed and hogs get slaughtered. And so we're at the point where people really have to compromise.
Now, one more note here. The trash fee would bring in $18 million a year, and City Manager Milton Dohoney Jr. has said another 350 employees would have to go if it is not approved. Council's deadline, of course, for passing a budget is December 31st, Clyde.
And it gets closer with each passing day, Tom.